How to enable Bitcoin wallet in Cash App. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. First of all, launch open the Cash App on your device. Then make sure to sign into your account. Now tap on the Money tab at the bottom of the screen. Here, you want to scroll down and select Bitcoin under the Assets section. There, tap Enable Withdrawals and Deposits. Then, follow the instructions to verify your identity. To verify your identity, you will have to provide personal information. Cash App may ask for your full name, date of birth, and last four digits of your SSN. You will also have to submit a selfie and photo ID, then wait for approval. Verification can take a few minutes to 24 hours. Once your Bitcoin is enabled, you can buy Bitcoin, send Bitcoin, and receive Bitcoin. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.